Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can bring your draw to life in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva, and here you can click apps and all apps and AI powered. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Now you can scroll down, then try to find sketch to life. So bring your drawings to life. You can turn any scribble into a realistic image. Use AI to bring your art to life. So you can click to use in new design. So here you can sketch, for example, you can draw something here. So here I draw a Saturn here. So describe your sketch by Saturn, moon, stars, space, and click to generate. Press wait as we bring your sketch to life. And here we go. This is the result. So this is maybe not a perfect, but you can try more and more to describe your sketch to get precise this result. So please describe detailed about your sketch. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.